Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 28 Somerville Road in Leven. This is a really well presented 2-bedroom spacious upper flat with a great addition of off-street parking via your driveway, garden space to the front and rear, and something you won't be expecting with this property is you get your very own summer house, which is just a great addition. So let me take you on the tour, show you everything that you're getting with this property, including inside that summer house, and as always keep listening until the end for how you can get those further details. So this is the entrance to your property here, number 28. This gives you a great insight in just the standard that continues throughout the whole property. So we're going to head inside and start the tour, and then we'll come back down and I'll show you all of your garden space. But this is the entrance to your property. The attention to detail, as I say, is just incredible. Even just to the downlighters coming down the stairs. As we go throughout the property, I will show you every little intricate detail that has been thought through. But we will start in the bedroom. Even just to the quality doors, and you can see that straight away. You even have the chrome fixtures and fittings, so the attention to detail is just beautiful in this property. Now this is one of 2 bedrooms. So great size, easily fit a double bed in this space. You have shelved storage just there. That also has little downlighters as well to light that up as like a display unit. And then as you can see there, you have your mirrored fitted double wardrobes as well, so great storage. So this is one of 2 bedrooms. Then we'll come into the hallway and we enter into your living room, and I absolutely love this space. Look at that light beaming in. Really generous sized room, and as I say, that light flooding in as well just gives it that really light and airy feel. And then you have the boiler housed in the cupboard just there. But this is your living room space. And again, the attention to details with the mirrored glass doors. And then again, the chrome fixtures and fittings. We then come into your second bedroom. Storage just on our left, just there. And then we come into bedroom 2. So again, a lovely and bright room. And that's the window open as well, and it's so peaceful here. I can't get over how quiet it is here. And again, you have your fitted wardrobes, so plenty of storage. Then we'll head back along the hallway, but that's just another look at this living room space. It's just perfect. And if you think that was amazing, wait until you see the shower room and kitchen. The shower room is so contemporary, and the colours that have been chosen are just beautiful. So you have that really large walk-in shower with a thermostatic shower, and you can also see rainfall as well. You then have your vanity unit, WC, heated towel rail, and that is also one of these smart mirrors with the lights as well. So the attention to detail is absolutely incredible. Moving condition, ready to go. I absolutely love this shower room. Obviously floor to ceiling wet wall with the contrasting floor, and the attention to detail with the downlighters as well. Absolutely love that shower room. Then as well, if you love that, then I'm sure you're going to love this kitchen. Continuing with the same colour scheme, this is your fitted kitchen. Again, contemporary. That sun is beaming in as well today. We are very lucky. But you have ample cabinet and worktop space. You have your integrated hob, oven and extractor. I love the marble effect splashback, and there's a sparkle to it as well, which is the sun is hitting just beautifully. You also have an integrated microwave there as well. So this is your kitchen space, just to give you an idea of the size. Absolutely love this. So hopefully by now you're picturing yourself moving in here, absolutely nothing to do, just to enjoy this property. And obviously there is more, don't forget. So let's head downstairs. We'll show you the garden space and of course that summer house. So let's go and have a look. And even from the door as well, quality there. So then we head outside. So you're getting plenty of outdoor space to the front and rear. So just to give you an idea, you have this later lawn grass area just here. You have the driveway for off-street parking with the gated entrance, so monoblock driveway. Then you have this additional monoblock space with your chipped, and obviously you've got your bark and all your mature shrubs and plants. Beautiful colours as well throughout. So this is a great space, especially having the off-street parking. But then obviously the property that just keeps on giving is we have even more to the rear. So you then have this large slabbed area here, so perfect for sitting out, obviously on an evening or in the summer months. Then you have your later lawn area just there. You have a shed for outdoor storage, but isn't this just brilliant? Completely private. This is all yours to the rear, but just a great size garden. We've got a beautiful day to really showcase it as well. So this is all of your outdoor space, and I'm sure you're eager to get into there. So let's head in here and show you the summer house. So this is yours as well. So this is a great additional space, completely private as well. You can be sat in here and not anybody will see you from the main road, which is just perfect. Just to give you an idea, obviously we're tucked away right at the back, but this is a great additional space, whether you want to just keep it as a man cave come summer house, whether you need a working from home space as well, or a workshop, or if you have a business and you obviously want to do it from your home premises. So much options that you could utilise this for. But isn't it just incredible? And again, the attention to detail is continued out through here. So it has electricity for power. It has ample plug sockets as well. So ideal if you do need it as a working from home space. They are completely dotted about the whole room. So you've got plenty of plug sockets as well. They all have fitted blinds as well. So it's the day to night blind. So you can have a bit of privacy during the day and then blackout at night if you wish. So they all have fitted blinds. And then you have your downlighters as well in the ceiling. So absolutely quality build, brilliant addition. And obviously, hopefully by now you're just working out how you would make this work for you and take full advantage of this space, because I absolutely love it. And because it is so quiet here, you do not hear a thing, and we're completely private, tucked away. So let's have a recap of number 28. So that was the personal property tour for 28 Somerville Road. I thought I would take advantage of this really peaceful space and do the recap sitting in this summer house, plus it gets out of the wind as well. But hopefully by now you're envisioning yourself moving into this immaculate property. As you've just seen, you're getting two really generous sized bedrooms, that gorgeous contemporary shower room, I absolutely love that, and then that modern fitted kitchen, and then the attention to detail throughout is just beautiful, from the chrome fixtures and fittings, the quality solid doors, the downlighters, it's just beautiful. Then stepping outside, you get to take full advantage of that off-street parking with your driveway, the garden space to the front and to the rear, plus you get this completely kitted out summer house, obviously again with downlighters, fitted blinds, ample plug sockets, making it perfect for a working from home space, or even just keeping it as this summer house because it is completely peaceful and private. If you want to get further details on the property, you can either click the link, message me directly, or alternatively you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at 5 Properties, take care.